Oceans Church is 4 years old. My wife and I were worship pastors for 20 years, and so we've always been on the worship and production side of church. We love the idea of going with an LED wall to be able to enhance an environment of worship, creating an atmosphere for people to worship God with all of their senses. I love the ability to be able to create a scene in the worship environment. You know, we're singing songs about mountains and valleys, and we have this really cool drone footage of the beautiful landscape of mountains and valleys. It just kind of draws the person that's participating in worship to really be able to take the lyrics and feel the lyrics on a whole nother depth. When we finished the install with Planar, and we started putting motion graphics up there, and not only that, like the first time I saw even a compressed YouTube video, I was like blown away at the clarity and the color of the content that was on the screen. Even watching live stream, it's just made our live stream look so much better, so much more inviting. Not only do we utilize graphics for like sermon slides and stuff like that, we also play video on it that would communicate a message. This month we're going to be doing family movie nights on the big screen. I know that the guys are excited to watch the NBA Finals, watch the Super Bowl, and so those are just incredible opportunities, not only to have a cool piece of technology that looks great and is just used for the 1 hour on Sunday morning, but also to be used as a tool for community to come around. If you're looking for a high quality LED wall, I'll tell you, Planar is the way to go. They make an incredible screen. Their customer service is awesome. They've been very quick to respond to us in moments where we needed to learn something about the wall. Yeah, check out Planar. It's the way to go.